Hey everyone, and welcome back to 5 Minute Daily Road to Elegance. Today we're diving into something super important: first impressions. What are the things people notice about a woman within the first few seconds of meeting her? These initial moments can really set the tone for any interaction. So let's talk about how to make them count. Now, elegance isn't about being someone you're not. It's about highlighting your best self and projecting confidence. So, what do people notice first? Well, here are five key things. One, positive energy. Think about it. Someone walks into a room with a genuine smile, their eyes sparkling, and a woman aura. It's magnetic. People are drawn to positive energy. It's not about being overly bubbly, but rather radiating warmth and genuine interest. A simple smile and making eye contact can go a long way. Two, posture and confidence. This is huge. Shoulders back, head held high, and mindful movements. It speaks volumes before you even say a word. Good posture conveys self assurance and confidence. It shows you value yourself and your presence. So you have to practice good posture even when you're alone. It becomes a habit and makes a real difference. Third, the way you dress. Now, this isn't about wearing designer labels, it's about dressing appropriately for the occasion and choosing clothes that flatter your body type and make you feel good. And when you feel good in what you're wearing, that confidence shines through. So you have to invest in a few key pieces that you love and that make you feel powerful. And remember, fit is everything. Fourth, the way you speak. This is more than just the words you choose, it's your voice, how clearly you articulate, and the overall confidence you project. Speak clearly and confidently. Organize your thoughts before you speak so you can express yourself concisely. A calm and measured pace commands attention and respect. So practice speaking clearly and projecting your voice. Fifth, last but not the least, how you carry yourself. This encompasses all the other points. It's the overall impression you make. Are you present in the moment during the conversation? Are you engaged? Do you seem comfortable in your own skin? These small things add up to create a powerful and lasting impression. So, those are five things people first notice in a woman. And remember, elegance is a journey, not a destination. It's about constantly working on yourself and becoming the best version of you. So, which of these points do you think is most important? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tips on elegance. And thanks for watching.